Hey guys, this is a really special day today. You know what is this? You know what is this? Read down the title. This is my new HJC helmet and we are going to unbox it. So all my tools are in the garage, so I need to use a kitchen knife. But that doesn't matter because I'm gonna give myself to the helmet. So RPHA HJC RPHA 11. Only one thing left. Let's open it. Let's open it. This is really first time I'm opening this. Okay, so what is this? So these are actually racing tear-offs for the plexi, for the visor. So this is what you use on the racetrack. This is what you put on the visor, and you don't have to clean it anymore. So you just tear it off. We have HJC small stickers at the end as well. So one HJC sticker. There's a manual. So this is what's inside the box. Owner's manual for the HJC helmet and the RPHA 11 owner's manual. Get that later on. We have clear visor, which is free included in the box. And now we have the helmet. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum. Ta-da! Oh, that's light. Let's put this away. HJC. Okay, so let's open it up. Really nice cover. Really nice back. Oh, this looks awesome. You ready? You ready? Sneak peek. Sneak peek. Let's get it out. Oh. Oh, wow. Hmm? I cannot talk really. Oh wow, this looks awesome. So HJC RPHA 11. This is like second from the top racing helmet from HJC. And look at the design. It's beautiful. It's even better. It's even better on your own eyes. So this is the S size because my HJC before I-70 is also S size. So my head is kind of small. I don't know why. But so currently we have a ventilation at the bottom of the cheek. We have a locking visor in the middle, which is really cool. I really like that. I have also this on my previous HJC. So this is really cool stuff. I have never worried about opening my shield on high speed or something like that. So this is really clever mechanism. Actually, AJV is using something similar on Pista. This is also some ventilation at the top on the forehead. This is ventilation on the top of your head, and this is actually coming out this way. So it's using venturi effect to suck the air out, which is coming through this top ventilation spot. And it's this really nice positive click. So I think this will be really, really good for the gloves as well. So I don't really worry about not to feel that you have opened them. So dark visor, of course, double D-ring locking. So top notch racing helmet with the best locking mechanism you can actually have. And you have emergency tabs for getting out the inside of the helmet in case of emergency. So not to be trying to get the helmet off your head in case of emergency, in case of a crash. The rescue team can kind of like tear apart the inside of the helmet and then slide it out, so they don't have to really pull on your neck or something, and even to do more damage to your neck, possibly. This is really, really cute. I would say it's really cute. Spoiler at the end. It's not really big as in MotoGP, you can see, but it's kind of it's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. It was designed in the air tunnel, so this should be totally enough for aerodynamic purposes of this helmet. So you can also see it's kind of designed to be in this aggressive position on the bike. So it's really about to be leaned over and to be closer to as close to the fuel tank as possible. So this is awesome. So let's get it on. It's so light. I have never used this D-ring before, so I'm not really sure how to get it on. Oh, yeah, like this. Where is it? Oh, done. It's so light, and it fits perfectly, like right away from the box. It's so different. It's like I don't have nothing on my head. It's really good to have that field of vision. I can kind of really see up to this point, which is perfect, and it fits so perfectly. I'm a little bit in case you didn't hear me, it fits perfectly. It's like HJC. I just know that HJC. It's a good size for me, and it fits right away from the box. And I've never had that D-ring security of the helmet, so I kind of have to take a little bit on and off training. So this is I-70. In size, it's really, really similar. This is kind of like touring sporty helmet. This is 1,500. This is 1,500. This is 1,300. So already those 200 grams, you can really feel them. It's kind of like I can feel the weight of this helmet in my head, and this was really surprising how light it is. So yeah, totally stoked about this. So happy about this one. I got my Christmas a little bit earlier this year, so really excited, and we'll try it for sure on the track. We'll try it for sure on the bike. I cannot wait for summer to have it on. So thanks for watching. Check HJC, great stuff, top notch level, great security. See you next time.